How to remove video background in Runway ML. So just go ahead and log into your account and go to the Tools section here to the left bar and choose the video option. What you're going to do from there is to upload your media or your video directly here. Then what you're going to have to do is to type in what kind of background removal you want. Maybe you want to remove a specific part of the background, but as long as you say you want to remove a background in your video, it should just do that for you. So just type that in, remove the background. Pretty much depends on you and what you want your video output to be. Just type it all in here and it will generate the output video with this, and most likely a remove background for you. Now later on you could get the results, you could download the results and modify it later on to really just get rid of the, maybe there's like little spots you want to remove or clear up. You can all do that once it's done. But that is technically how you can possibly remove the background of your video in Runway ML. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.